What up, y'all? It's your boy Gozy. Welcome back to the channel. It is feeling magnificent this morning, and we are big chilling. As you can see, got the polo robes on and just taking it easy. You know me. Just recapping with y'all on this past week. Hope y'all had a good week. I know I did. Worked on my boy's car yesterday, raced a bike, and now I'm just doing a little bit of maintenance on the vet. I was able to repack the chute. If y'all seen my last video, you seen how dirty and moldy the chute was. So took it all apart, power washed it, cleaned it up. All right, and on that note, enjoyed this week's recap. Like, share, subscribe. I see you guys on the next video. You got it?
Yeah.
Good to go?
Yeah.
Right. My boy Devin is here. Devin?
Yes, sir. What's good?
What's going on? So we have here, it's a what, 2021?
22.
22 Camaro SS.
Yep. Bone stock right now.
Bone stock. The shit is clean. Debadged. Could use a wash, but
Yeah, for real.
we ain't gonna talk about that right now though.
But he got me yesterday.
Yeah, ruthless. Yeah, baby is clean. Baby is clean, and a lot in stores for her. A lot in store. Starting off pretty easy. Intake, and then I know he has plans for full bolt-ons, 85, all that good stuff. Flex fuel.
Throttle body.
Right, throttle body.
Eventually headers, but I'll probably be in Japan by then.
Oh yeah, headers. Okay. LT1, and talked to my brother earlier, and I think it'll be a good run, even stock for the LS2 vet. Cause do not sleep on these LT1s, man. They're pretty nasty. It is a 6-speed. It's a 6-speed, but hey, I've seen how he drives. Definitely got that driver mod, so we'll see. It should be a good run. I'm gonna try to get it on video.
Sure.
But yeah, let's jump to it. So, what brand is this intake?
It's Roto.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
What is that, a 5-inch hose? That baby is thick.
Shit, I couldn't tell you. You know, I'm
I got you. Whole bunch of gaskets. Okay, that's the first piece there. Ooh. Okay, and this is like the heat shield, the shroud. That way it don't suck up the hot air from the engine bay. Yeah, that's the filter. Yes, sir. All right.
Yep.
Where did you pick it up from?
I ordered it.
Okay.
Off RotoFab.
RotoFab. Okay.
.com.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Wasn't too expensive. What, like?
This is like
500-ish, maybe.
Shit, to be honest, I don't even remember. It's probably like 3 something.
Okay.
Maybe 2
Okay.
something, so
Okay.
whatever.
Hey. All right.
You see me looking at the paperwork like I know what I'm talking.
All right. The old intake airbox and hose is uninstalled, and we have the new setup kind of mocked up. We're gonna start the install process now. Installed and all good to go. We ended up receiving the wrong part, so I had to do a little bit of modification with the silver 5-inch hose and bolted that up, and good to go. Ready to start this baby up.
Ready?
Yeah, go ahead. Very clean. Oh yeah. Done with the Camaro. About to meet up with my other boy. He has a CBR 1000, and he's been talking some smack lately, so we're gonna see if this baby can handle.